Hello and welcome to Cooking for Dog. As always, our ingredients and quantities will be listed in the description box below. Today we're going to be making Barking Bolognese. Our ingredients that we have mince, lentils, tomato puree, diced tomato, celery, noodles, Parmesan cheese and carrot. Now you'll notice that the carrot and the celery have been ground very finely. Dogs don't have the same digestive system as us, so we can't chop the vegetables. You either grate or you grind it. I put mine through a food processor. So our tools and equipment that we're going to use, we have the fry pan we're going to be browning the mince in. We have a wooden spoon, and that's pretty much it. So here we go. Our beef mince, we're going to brown. Use a non-stick pan. Make sure the heat is nice and hot there for you, so we can get the job done. I'm just going to add a little bit more oil to this. I'm using peanut oil here today. Sometimes I use olive oil, that's good too. Hear that sizzling now? It's going to be browning nicely. We're just going to fry this mince until it's all crumbly. Now this is our main source of protein for this dish. Breaking it up so it doesn't clump together. Now that's looking pretty good. The next step, we're going to add our vegetables and our tomato puree, and we're just going to cook that for a short time. So I'm starting with the celery. And the carrot. Just stir that in, that mixes in nicely. Next I'm going to add the lentils, another great source of protein. The tomato puree. Stirring that through so the flavour is going all through the vegetables and the meat. Now lastly, so the flavour really develops, I've got some diced tomato here that's going to go in as well. Smelling delicious. Now we're going to leave this just to cook now for around about 10 minutes. So I've allowed this to simmer now for the last 10 minutes. It's looking really good. You can see the flavour and the colour's all good right through it. We've blended it well. And so that was just over a very low heat for around about 10 minutes, depending on your quantity. The next thing I'm going to do is mix in our pasta. Now I've used an egg noodle pasta, which is just your basic spaghetti pie. You can use whichever one you want. I've already pre-cooked that. So let's just mix that in. My dog loves noodles. In fact, I haven't met a dog that doesn't. I'm just going to add a touch more water to this now that I've added the noodles. I see it drying out a little bit, so that's all optional. Just watch the recipe as you do it. Water is always good to have on hand. And here we have it looking really good now. Now lastly, we're going to add some Parmesan cheese. Here we have Barking Bolognese. Now we're going to take this off the heat and we're going to set it aside, allow it to cool before feeding this to our hungry pooches. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. Please subscribe to our channel so you can be kept up to date with our fun, nutritious meals and snacks for your dog.